There's glass cleaning and there's glass polishing. The difference is glass polishing gets your glass completely clean, and Diamondite has the glass polish for you. When your car is brand new, the glass is perfectly clean. But over time, with exposure to the elements, you get a buildup, a stained film that's impacted onto the glass, not just on the glass, that will not wipe off with a glass cleaner. It's things like road film and bonded and impacted dirt, bug splatter, things like this that just simply will not wash off or wipe off. And that's where you need a mechanical abrasive using glass-safe abrasive technology to polish these things off and restore that glass down to pure, clean glass. And you can do this with Diamondite Glass Polish either by hand or by machine. Diamondite Glass Polish is perfect for automotive use, primarily for the outside glass, but sometimes when you get that smoker's film or vinyl fog film that builds up on the inside of the windshield, it's also perfect for hand cleaning there too. It's also great for marine applications like glass windshields on boats, and also around the home, the shower stall, for example, where sometimes you get a soap film build on the shower door. It's glass safe abrasive technology that makes this product perfect for use in the home, marine, and also automotive applications. Diamondite Glass Polish can be used by hand or by machine. Machine always gives you better results faster, but of course it does work by hand. To use by hand, use a microfiber applicator pad. Apply some to the pad and then work over the glass, massaging every square inch of that glass, and you should actually be able to feel the glass go clean as you rub the abrasives over the glass. After you've polished one section, use a clean microfiber towel to wipe off any residues to restore that perfectly clean glass. To use by machine, apply a few drops to a foam polishing pad on any orbital polisher. Then set the speed setting to medium or high, and again, massage this glass polish over the glass and let the abrasives do their magic by chewing off years of built-up road film and other contaminants off the glass. After polishing a section, use a clean microfiber towel to remove the residue and expose perfectly clean, shiny glass. Not only does Diamondite Glass Polish restore perfectly clean glass by removing impacted dirt and road film, it also perfectly prepares the glass if you want to apply a glass coating. And it's important that the glass is perfectly clean so the coating can make a proper bond. So if you're going to use a glass coating, be sure to polish the glass first with Diamondite Glass Polish. To get your bottle of Diamondite Glass Polish, go to Autogeek.com. For more videos like these and how-tos, subscribe to our YouTube channel.